Hello gorgeous peeps, I'm Chris from Techspert, and this lovable wee chappie right here is the Marscat from Elephant Robotics. A fully autonomous robo-kitty ready to fill your meaningless existence with pretend love. At least until Skynet remotely gives it the heads up to rip out your windpipe while you're sleeping. The Marscat is in stock right now from the Elephant Robotics website, but it will cost you a cool... Don't interrupt me, Marscat, alright? That's the last warning. Seriously, mate. But it will cost you a cool grand, so is it actually worth that steep asking price? Well, that's you done, is it? You're just gonna have a kit now, are you? Let's have a proper full-on tour of the Marscat, and for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. So the Marscat could be an ideal pet replacement for anyone who happens to live in rented accommodation where bringing in actual animals is right out. Or also if you've got any allergies or any small children who might try and pick up an actual cat by its actual tail and swing it into the telly or something. This appears to be him doing his Superman impression, or Super Cat I guess. Now you might think that the Marscat is just your typical cyborg feline, but apparently this robo-pet actually comes from space. But what is its mission? Is it simply spying on humanity, or is it here as a deceptively adorable scout for some sort of alien war party hell-bent on ruling our galaxy? Now the Marscat is primarily constructed from plastic, although there are some rubbery parts, such as for instance around the neck area, just to allow the heads to turn about the place, and also the waggly tail. And he weighs 3 kilos in all, so a bit too heavy for younger children to pick him up perhaps, but apart from that, weighs about the same as the average fat bastard cat. Now you've got a choice of 4 different colours: white, black, grey, or this bright orange fella here who looks like he might have taken an ill-advised bath in a radiation puddle. Now the Marscat is completely autonomous. You can basically just switch him on and leave him to do whatever the hell he wants to do. Otherwise, alternatively, you can get connected via the Marscat app. And this shows you exactly how your Marscat's personality is progressing, because it does evolve over time depending on how much you interact with the Marscat. And from within the app you can also change up the colour of the Marscat's eyes, what sex it is. You can mute the bugger if he's mewing a bit too much. So take that as a warning, mate. You can also check on the Marscat's various states as well and see exactly how talkative, social and energetic your cat is. You can also just straight up remote control the Marscat as well, giving it specific directions to move in or postures to use. Now, as you might imagine, there are various pros and cons involved with having a robotic pet rather than an actual living creature running about your homestead. So pro, you don't have to feed the Marscat any expensive cat food, just delicious electricity. Con, stroking the Marscat is kind of like stroking a toaster. Pro, the Marscat does not bring freshly caught semi-deceased wildlife into your home and then immediately lose interest, thus leaving you to chase the mortally wounded and mentally scarred hapless creature all over your homestead while it scatters fur, blood and the occasional bodily organ all over your carpet. Con, the Marscat is decidedly suicidal, gamely shuffling itself towards the edge of any tables or desks you happen to place it on. This is definitely one pet best left on the floor. But yeah, so much for 9 lives. I reckon the Marscat has probably got 2 or 3 at absolute best. Pro, suicidal escapades aside, the Marscat won't ever technically die, so that means no awkward conversations with the kiddywinks about where Mr. Jingles has suddenly disappeared off to. And as the Marscat will inevitably outlive you, it could even entertain guests at your funeral. Con, the Marscat is pretty bloody noisy when it moves about the place with all of those gears whirring away. Careful there, mate, you're getting a bit close to the edge again. So certainly if you want a bit of peace and quiet in your home, you ain't gonna get it with this bugger. Now, as with a lot of robots, the Marscat has lots of different sensors positioned mostly around the head region, as you would expect. So for instance, you've got a 5 megapixel camera hidden in the nose. You've got a distance sensor, you've got a microphone to pick up on your voice as well, and then various touch sensors as well. One on the head here that can sense when you are stroking it. There's one on the back. And you can even give him a wee tickle under the chin as well, which he seems to quite like. And the Marscat can also understand various voice commands as well. So let's see just how obedient he's feeling today. Got to start off by saying Marscat, and then his eyes do this creepy sort of ECG thing to show that he's listening. Relax, relax, I love you. Either he doesn't really understand Northerners, which is perfectly understandable, or he's just not feeling like playing ball today. The Marscat does have all kinds of different moods, from enthusiastic to aloof, energetic or lazy. Could be a bit social, could be a little bit shy, so it kind of depends on how the Marscat is feeling as to how it will respond to you and your commands, of course. And apparently that personality will evolve over time depending on how much you interact with him, so he'll know whether to, you know, bestow you with lots of love and meows or just leave you alone if you're a bit of a grumpy git. And if you're up for a bit of Raspberry Pi action, you can even program the Marscat to do your bidding. And the Marscat is also a bit of a playful wee chap, so you actually get a couple of cat toys bundled with him, so let's try these out. Oh, look at the mouse, look at the dangly mouse. You like the dangly mouse? Oh, I think he likes the dangly mouse. Actually, he's just looking kind of shagged out now. Come on, dude, we got to finish this video. That's it, good boy. And as I've actually got cats of my own, my next question was, would real life cats actually want to make friends with the Marscat? And the answer to this one was pretty definitive. Cat entered room, cat spotted Marscat. Cat then decided to bugger right the f*** off. So if humankind is ever wiped off the face of the earth and felines rise up to become the dominant species, it appears that they will be ruled over by these cheery wee buggers. When the Marscat does finally run out of juice, we can actually get a premium bundle which comes with a docking station, and the Marscat can actually find this independently, just go and plonk himself down on there and recharge again, ready for action. However, I just got the standard bundle, which means I just have to unceremoniously shove this cable into his chestal area. When he's plugged in, he takes around 4 hours in total to fully recharge again from dry, which seems like quite a long time, but then to be fair, my actual cats spend about 16 hours a day asleep, so it's not actually that bad. So that in a nutshell is the Marscat Robo Kitty from Elephant Robotics. As I say, available right now via their website for a cool grand. So what do you guys reckon? It'd be great to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a fantastic rest of the week. Isn't that right, Marscat?